Hello, in this video we will learn about Python turtle graphics. Have you ever wanted to bring your drawings to life using a computer? Well, that's exactly what we are going to do. Imagine telling a little turtle what to draw and watching it create amazing art right before your eyes. Python turtle graphics is like having your very own digital artist, a turtle that you can command with code. You will learn how to use simple commands to guide the turtle, creating beautiful drawings and designs right on your computer. Before you begin, make sure you have Python and the Turtle Graphics library installed on your computer. You can install Turtle Graphics using the following command: pip install Python Turtle. Next, we need to introduce our digital artist, the turtle. To do that, we will import the turtle module. This module is like a magical toolbox that holds all the special turtle commands. We need import turtle. Now that we have our toolbox, let's create our turtle friend. The turtle is like your drawing buddy. It follows your commands to create amazing art. You can even control how fast or slow your turtle moves. You can even change the color of the turtle. You can even change the background of the screen. Let's make the turtle draw. To do that, first we need to import the turtle. Next, we need to set up the turtle. We can name the object as T. This is the module. This is the class. Now, execute the program. The window is opened and this window is called Python Turtle Graphics, and this is our turtle. And this is of the shape of arrow. You can change the shape of this arrow to any others like circle, square, etc. You can even change the shape to turtle. Let's make the shape of the turtle. Now, shape change to turtle. You can even change the color of the turtle. Our turtle is in red color. You can check how many shapes are there. We have shapes arrow, turtle, circle, square, triangle, and classic. Now let's try to change the background. Now the background is changed to green. Now let's make the turtle move forward. steps forward. Yes. Now the turtle is moved 100 steps forward. Now we can just turn the turtle 90 degrees to the right. G. Yes. Now turtle move to the right in 90 degrees. Now again we can make the turtle move forward. Yes. Now the turtle move forward at 100 steps, then turn to right and then again move forward, making an L shape on the screen. Now you have the tool to bring your ideas to life using the turtle graphics. Let's move on to some exciting drawing fun. Let's do some circle. Let's see the turtle. Let's see the size. So the turtle. Yes, circle is created. Now let's make a square using this turtle. So square has four sides and first we need to forward the turtle forward 100 steps. Then it need to turn left 90 degrees and we need to repeat the same step for four times. Now let's hit the program. Yes. Now the turtle made a square. You can even hide the turtle using the command t dot hide turtle. Yes. Now the turtle is hidden. So we have used four steps to repeat to make a square. We can reduce the steps by using a for loop. We can remove this and we'll just add a loop for I in range of we have to repeat the steps of four times. So I in range of four. Yes. We have made the square using the for loop. Now we have some commonly used commands in turtle. That is turtle.turtle creates a new turtle object. Turtle.forward moves the turtle forward by the specified distance in pixels or distance. Turtle background moves the turtle backward by the specified distance. Turtle dot and right turns the turtle to the right by the specified angle. Turtle dot left turns the turtle to the left by the specified angle. And turtle dot color set the pen color for drawing. And turtle dot clears the screen, erasing all drawings. Now it's your turn. Experiment with different size and colors. You can draw a heart or a star. Unleash your imagination and let your turtle friend bring your ideas to life on the screen. Thank you for watching.